Hello and welcome to One to Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the Midjourney bot on Discord. So, people who don't know what Midjourney is, it is an AI art generation tool. With the help of your text and your imaginative brain, you can create art with a few dollars. So, it is quite inexpensive and it is very student friendly. So, you can go ahead and buy Midjourney now. So I'm going to teach you how you can use Midjourney on your Discord bot. Go ahead and click on add server, which is over here, and you can click on create my own and add Midjourney bot to your Discord, or else you can join Midjourney's server itself. Go ahead and click on this and you can see this is the explore discoverable servers. You can see Midjourney is the top server with a lot of participants online and a lot of members who have joined already. So if it is not appearing over here, you can go to the search bar and search for Midjourney. Click on this button over here and you can see the join Midjourney over here on the top. Go ahead and click on join Midjourney, wait for a while, and there you go, you have now joined Midjourney. Now talking about how to use it, you can see there are a lot of servers over here, getting started, announcements, status, rules, community updates. You can go ahead and read this info, and you can see the trial support. If you want any type of support on your trial phase, you can go ahead and contact here, and you can see the newbies over here. You can go ahead and start giving your code over here. These are some of the codes over here. What you need to do is click on slash over here and imagine. After you go to imagine, now you can write something, but before you do this, make sure you do have a paid Midjourney account, otherwise you cannot create your art. So let's go ahead and try it. Go ahead and copy this and paste it over here. Wait for a while and you can see that your subscription has been expired. If you want a subscription, you can go ahead and click on subscribe. As soon as you click subscribe, you will be headed to another link. Go ahead and click on manage account. You can select your browser which you use. Now you can log into your account and purchase your subscription and now start doing the art. You can scroll a bit down and find other discussions as well, and you can find the arts over here as well. So if you click on one of these, it might or might not work. Just go ahead and click on one of these and you can see that you must have the subscription. So just go ahead and log into your account of Midjourney or Discord which has subscription, or you can subscribe for it now. So you can find arts and you can copy these arts and use it for your further details as well. Now if you scroll a bit down, you can see the discussions, the prompt chat. So you can see that there are a lot of art discussions over here. People can actually talk and find out about the Midjourney process, the community. They can work together and earn a lot of money with art. So if you scroll a bit down, you can see the daily theme as well. People will have to create art according to the daily theme given by the admin. You can see that there are some daily themes over here. So this is it, guys. If you want to learn more, you can see that this is a page over here. You can go ahead and click on the learning basis and the tutorials can be taught to you by admins as well. So guys, this is how you use the Midjourney on your Discord. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.